In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on your PC with Localhost. This means you won't need to pay for hosting or a domain name while learning and testing how WordPress works. And then I'll show you how to move this website to a real domain. Let's get started. So first thing you should do is to open this website. I put the link in my caption as well. So after you open this website, all you have to do is to come up here and then hit download. In here, they will ask you which platform you're using. So choose your platform and then give it a name, last name, and then so on. And after that, click on Get It Now. So after you install local on your machine, it will be something like this. It says, looks like you haven't created any sites yet. So let's create one right now. Click on this button. And then it will ask you to create a new site or create from a blueprint. So choose this one now and hit continue. Now it will ask you a name for your website. So go on and give a name for it. For example, Tech by Solar. And then there is more advanced options here as well. If you click on this one, it will open something like this. For example, it will ask you the direction and the folder that you want to save your site in it. So go on and then choose a file for it and hit continue. Now here it will ask you, for example, which one you want to use. The preferred PHP and everything for the backend and all the versions, or you want to use some custom things. So if you're asking me, just choose preferred and then continue. In here they will ask you a username for your website and a password. So just go on and choose a username and password for your site. And then here it will ask you to change the email if you want or not. So if you're asking me, just change the email that you have and then come over here and click on add site. Now it will install all the required things for you to be able to use WordPress on your local machine. Okay, that's it. We easily created a WordPress website on our local machine. So all we have to do is to come over here and click on WP admin. Or you can simply open the site that you created. But for now, let me show you some things of local and then we will move to dashboard of our website. So first thing I'm recommending you is to come over here and turn on this option. So what is this thing? This one allows you to log into your website without entering your email address or your password and other stuff. So it will be easier and quicker. So after you turned it on, just simply come over here and click on WP admin. So as you can see, we easily logged into our dashboard without even we used our username or email or password. So right now we can easily go and change some stuff and then move it to a new domain name and a real host and other etc. things. So first, let's add a new theme. Come over to appearance and click on themes. And click on this one. So for this video, we will continue with Astra. Come over here or search for Astra and then install it. And then hit activate. So as you can see, Astra now is activated. Now to be able to use some ready sites for our website, we have to go to our plugins and then add a new plugin. The plugin we need is a starter template. So go over here and then search for it. So this is the one we need. Now you can easily install it from here. And then activate it. So after the plugin is activated, you simply come over here and click on Get Started. So now here it asks us how would you like to build your site. So right now we want to be able to edit things with Elementor. So what is Elementor? Elementor is one of the greatest page builder that we can use for our websites to edit things. So simply come over here and then choose Elementor. After you choose Elementor, it will show you tons of great websites that you can use. For example, Let's continue with this one. So after you clicked on the website, it will show you how your website will look like. So for example, you can check other things as well. You can change the sections, you can other pages, and so on. So after you like the website, you can simply come over here and change the logo, change the fonts, and change the color palette. So after you're done, hit continue, and then skip this step. And then here it will ask you some personal stuff from yourself. If you like, you can go and then enter your stuff, or if you don't like, you can simply come over here and say I understand, let's go. And you can turn it off if you want to, and click on submit and build my website. Now it's installing all the required things for you, like images, plugins, and other stuff to make your website just like the website you saw. So just wait a little bit till it's installing all the required things for you. Great, now let's see our website. So as you can see, we have this beautiful website easily right now. And it has other pages as well. So now let's move this beautiful website from our local host to a real domain name. So let's go to our dashboard again. Come over to plugins and then add new plugin. And then come over to search plugins and then search for WP Vivid. And then install this plugin. And then activate it. So after you've installed Vivid on your local website, go to your domain and install the plugin there as well. Simply come and search for hostinger.com. To add a new website, go to websites and then add a website. Click on WordPress now. Now enter your email address and the password that you want. Or you can simply generate password from here. Copy it and then click on next. Create blank site because we already have our theme. And then choose the domain if you have. Or not, just simply use temporary domain. And then click on install WordPress. Now wait till it's installing all the required things for you. So after you've logged into your website, go to plugins again. And deactivate these plugins that we have. And then add a new plugin. Simply here search for WP Vivid again. And then install it. And activate it. Then in here, go to key and then generate a new key. Copy it and then come to your other website on your local machine. And then head over to auto migration and click on it. And paste your key here. And then hit save. So as you can see, it says now you can transfer the site from this site to this site easily. In here, choose database and files, and then clone, then transfer. Now you need to wait till it's doing the job. Now after it's done, go back to your website, and then backup and restore. And then refresh the page. So as you can see, a new thing came here. So click on this and then restore it. And click on restore again. So after the process is done, it will give us a pop-up like this. Just click on OK for now. And then it will ask us to put the email and the password we gave to our local machine. So enter the email and the password you gave recently and then hit login. As you can see, we are in our new domain name and the website is that what we wanted. So this is how you can easily transfer your website from your local machine to your domain name. If you have any more questions about this video, feel free to ask me. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.